Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video.
Come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, so today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. Well, a first initial review of this wig. I got it from Glamourtress. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys want to get this wig, but I'm just gonna do like a quick unboxing real quick and see what this wig is hitting for. It comes like this. It's supposed to be like really versatile, all that good stuff. You know what's crazy? I've been feeling to do my hair, and now I don't really want to do my hair. Like, look how cute my hair is today. Okay, one thing I have to say about this so far, nothing bad, but on the website that I ordered from, it said if you ordered before, I think 5 p.m. then or 4 p.m. then your order will get shipped the same day. My order did not get shipped the same day. I think it got shipped like the next day or 2 days after I placed the order. But yeah, that's not a big deal. Like 2 days later is not bad, but if you have it on your website saying place your order before this time and you get it the same day, then I'm gonna want it the same day, feel me? So this is the wig. These are curls. Says it's a wig. This wig is plucked to the gods. I'll show you guys how the hair is plucked. It's plucked nicely, probably better than I would have plucked it. Wow, it's really plucked really nice. It comes with 3 clips. They're both at the sides and one at the back. The lace is pretty short, so don't mess up. Please don't mess up when you cutting this. But yeah, the texture of the hair is, I don't know, it's synthetic. But you know, usually when you get synthetic wigs, it actually feels much better than this actually. Like it feels nice and soft, and you'll be able to run your fingers through it without this many snags. It's a synthetic wig, so this will be an issue. I'm not a fan of synthetic wigs, but I get them once in a while. But we're gonna see what this wig is hitting for. So that was just a quick unboxing. I just wanted you guys to see what the package looked like and tell you guys about the shipping and stuff. And I'm gonna go install it, so I will be back.
Blowing holes till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing holes till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, my company, my company. Catching Z's, my company, my company. Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. Why you wanna fuck with a nigga like me, huh? Yeah, you know I'm not good for you. I can give you the word But you can't be my girl, you creeping on your man. And I don't think that shit thorough. I can keep you around, but I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby, let's live in it now. I know that you want it, well, I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this a long time. Brown skin thing, my God, you're so fine. You can make a wide-eyed man straight go blind. And it's backseat freestyle.
So I'm back and I just installed this hair. I'm just letting it sit, but I like this hair a lot. This was like the easiest install I ever done, smoothest install. The hair is nice, you know, for a synthetica, it's nice. This is how she looks. She's giving me life. She's giving me life. So you guys, I really like this hair. The only thing that's throwing me off is the texture. It feels really dry. It feels like really synthetic. Like, I know it's synthetic, but usually when you just get a synthetic wig, it feels nice and smooth and soft. Nice and soft. I don't know, but I really like this. This was like the easiest install I've ever done, and it looks so pretty. I feel really pretty. Let's see, you can style her like, look at this, look at this. So pretty. You could put her, you could style her on. You could put her to the side if you want. See, you could put her up in a half up, half down. I think I might just do that. No, seriously, you guys need to get this wig. Seriously, you guys seriously need to get this wig. So yeah, I put the hair up. I really like the wig. It comes at a good length. Ooh, sorry. A good length. It's very versatile. You could do whatever you want with it. And it's super cute. It came plucked already. Plucked perfectly. Yeah, the texture is kind of off to me. Kind of feel dry. I'm probably gonna put some stuff in it so that to give it like a moisturized feeling. And it snags a lot, it tangles a lot, and it sheds, but which synthetic hair doesn't? I do recommend this hair. You guys should really go get it. Like, do I really need to tell you why? Don't you see it? Don't you see it? Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Anything that I didn't answer, you guys could comment below and I will reply to it and answer your questions for you. Yeah, go get this hair, you guys. It's like perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more content, because I'm gonna always be hooking y'all up. Y'all my sis, y'all my sister, y'all family, so I'm always gonna be putting y'all on. And this hair is tea. Bye guys.
Baby, won't you come to my motel?